Happy Canada Day! I'm so excited. We're going to celebrate this weekend, and so I made a spread for my traveler's notebook. I combined two opposite styled collections from Simple Stories to make this spread. So stay tuned to see how I did that. Hi there, it's Kara from the Hooting Pirate. Welcome. Welcome Canadians. If you're not Canadian, you're very welcome here as well. If you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hi. Okay, so this layout is all about Canada because it's Canada Day this weekend, and I'm using the Plaid Dad collection, which is, you can see the plaid in front there, from Simple Stories for the Canadian part, and then it's also summer. It's kind of like, it's just really dark, the Plaid Dad, and Canada Day is festive, so to make it more festive, I'm pairing that collection with the Hello Summer collection from Simple Stories. So keep watching because you'll see how I mix them up. While I'm here, I wanted to know if you are Canadian. And if you're Canadian, let me know in the comments below. And if you aren't Canadian, let me know where you come from. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, because on this channel, not only do I do process videos like this, where I help you make your planner pretty, I also have videos that keep you organized and productive and sort of go after your dreams and goals and all the big stuff so you can have a fantastic life. All right, so let's get into it. I layered some pattern papers from the two different collections, and then I'm taking these stamps, just taking a few of them from scrapbook and cards today, and stamped a couple, and then I saw this Happy Father's Day, and I was going to cover the father with Canada, but it was just too big, the whole thing together, so then I chopped it up using the Happy in the Day, and I'm going to layer it on the page. It's still a little plain Jane, and so that's why I wanted to use the Hello Summer with it. When I first got my Simple Stories box, I saw these two collections, and I knew that they would be perfect to mix together to make a Canada Day page. Yeah, it was in my head, in the works since the day I got these collections. So I'm going through the die cuts and picking out ones that sort of match. I went with pink, which is kind of funny to go with red, but I really like this color of pink. It goes well with the red. And now I'm taking some washi, and it was just a bit too much. There's a bit too much turquoise, a bit too much color. So what I did was just layered it underneath the pattern paper so you could see a peek of it, because the pattern's really nice and it would break up where the pattern paper hits the white, and but without being overwhelming and sort of too mismatchy. It actually matches really well. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side over here. It was actually quite difficult to cut, because since it was already laid down, to get in and cut them flush with the pattern paper, but you can't really tell, and I actually really like the way it turned out. Next, I'm adding some of the die cuts. The one that's sort of just off the bottom says all you need is ice cream, I think. And so that was when I saw that that die cut on the plaid. I thought, this is perfect little combination. I haven't really decided on the layout of what I'm going to do with the Canada Day thing at the top yet, so I added a few stickers, and I'm just going to wiggle things around and see what I like and where I'm going to put stuff, because it just wasn't working for me at this point, and I had to sort of leave it for a second. Sometimes if I leave things, then I go back to it with fresh eyes. It really does make a difference, and then I can make a decision and decide what I want to do. Now I'm getting into my absolute favorite part of decorating. I love going through the stickers and just deciding which ones I'm going to take. With the letter ones, you can kind of see on the left-hand side, I'm putting different phrases. It's just sort of off of the screen so that I can layer them later. Going through and reading the ones that fit, and then just finding stickers that match, stickers that sort of have the same theme as the page, colors, theme, and all that good stuff. So. And don't be afraid, like these stickers are small already, but don't be afraid to cut them down, because it maybe just need a little swatch of red instead of a whole big strip, and it can really make a difference if you can cut it down. And especially when you layer things, I love layering. It's my absolute favorite. So yeah, lots of layers on this page. So now I'm taking stickers from both collections. Again, mixing and matching, and I think that it goes pretty well together, especially when you've got those black and white dots with the plaid. It sort of anchors everything together. I love these tabs, and great part is that you've got at least 2 of the same size on each sticker sheet so that you can back them. And then we also have with Simple Stories the plastic cover. I can't remember what they're called, but it's just like a clear plastic cover, and you put it over the tab, so you can layer things on the tab and then put that over it, and it protects it and the stickers won't fall off. So now I've finally made my decision on the Canada. We're going to go with Canada Day and just leave it at that. But there is something, oh, there it is. I found a happy. It's actually so happy, I think, and I cut off the sew, and there you go, Happy Canada Day, without the big bulky happy, because it was quite big, and it didn't fit on the timeline page, especially when I start writing in, like, the things we're going to do this weekend. Yeah, so then more phrases, again, with All You Need Is Ice Cream. I think I've got that on this spread 3 times by the end of it, and a little maple leaf on the bottom with a heart, and yeah. I've got a surprise for you at the end. Canadians, something very Canadian. If you saw the word that's there, you might be able to guess, but you'll just have to wait and see till pretty much the very end. But it's not really a long video, right? It's not. There's not much time left to wait. Okay, so I'm going in with some flowers. What else is summer but flowers? So I thought that would be a good idea to add alongside the hearts and all the other things, the maple leaves. Make it a little bit more festive and a little bit more summery and bright and fun. And there's so many flowers in the Hello Summer collection. There's die cuts and stickers and everything else. And of course the ice cream stickers, because it goes with the ice cream things. And then there's some die cuts that I'm going through, some more stickers. And All You Need Is Ice Cream again. There's my third one. So now I'm writing in, because it's also Canada Day is also my son's birthday. He was the only one of mine who was overdue. And I was miserable, but I forgive him because he was born on Canada Day. Yeah, so I'm just going over with pen what I've written in pencil. Yeah, he also has a very Nova Scotian name. Yeah, I love it. Anyway, so happy birthday, Hector. And then we're going to get back into the design bits. So there we go, Canadians. What is more Canadian than adding the U back in favorite? So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and tell me in the comments if you're Canadian, and if you're not Canadian, where are you from? Have a great day and happy planning.